So let's look at how to go about solving this hyperbolic function. Now, we know from the hyperbolic identities that cos hyperbolic squared x minus sine hyperbolic squared x is equal to 1. As you can see this equation here, we have both cos hyperbolic and sine hyperbolic. So I'm going to use this equation to write one in terms of the other. So cos hyperbolic squared x is equal to 1 plus sine hyperbolic squared x. So I'm going to take this and replace it here so that we'll have 1 plus sine hyperbolic squared x is equal to 4 sine hyperbolic x plus 6. Okay, so rewriting this, sine hyperbolic squared x, bring this to the other side, we have minus 4 sine hyperbolic x, bring this 6 to the side, it will be 1 minus 6, so that will be minus 5 is equal to 0. And then we let your sine hyperbolic x be equal to, let's say, some y. So rewriting the equation, it will be a quadratic equation. You'll have y squared minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Then you solve this quadratic equation to get the values of y using the quadratic formula. So we are going to have our y being equal to minus 4 plus minus the square root of minus 4 squared minus 4 times a times c. All this divided by 2 times a. So our y is equal to 4 plus minus the square root of, so this is going to give us 16 minus, that will be plus, this will be 20. All this divided by 2. So this will give 36 square root 6. So 4 plus 6, 10. Divided by 2, 5. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Then we have minus 1. So we have our y values as, then we come back to this. Sine hyperbolic of x is equal to y. So sine hyperbolic x is equal to, let's start with 5. Then we go ahead and get x, which is sine hyperbolic inverse 5. Just press that in the calculator. And then sine hyperbolic of x is equal to minus 1. So x will be equal to sine hyperbolic inverse of minus 1. Press that in the calculator. Then you get your answers.